Hey, Tom, what are you doing over there?
Nothing.
See, you come into this cold-ass garage, and you got this thing over there. Come on, man.
All right. We did this DCU Universal logo video.
I remember it well. We've gotten a lot of tags recently. We have people who have been hitting us up on Instagram, hitting us up on Facebook, emailing me directly. I have had people call the shop from outside of the state and inside of the state of Washington to tell me about their DC Universe logo finds.
Comicbookinvest.com, CBSI, they have so many awesome individuals just providing value to the comic book community and using CBSI as their medium to send it out and to get it out to the comic book fam. And this DCU Universal logo variant checklist that they've been putting together over the last couple of years with the membership of the community, the writers that they have on staff there, it's filled with value. And without them, we may not even have a log of these variants. And if you don't know what we're talking about, you want to hit that link up here where we talk about them and we talk about some of the scarcest DC comics that exist.
Yeah, the crazy thing is that CBSI has been compiling this list because DC doesn't have one. DC does not have a list of what they put these logos on and what the print runs are. People are having to find them in the wild. People are having to find them out there. And we have the opportunity to find another one.
That's right. We do. And so you want to hit that like, you want to hit that subscribe button, because without doing that, we won't be able to grow. And because we're growing, we're able to do things like this. I went and bought a 20 pack.
A 20 pack.
It's sealed. So you got to imagine this thing back in this is dated 93.
93,
this is 93.
Okay.
Dated back in 1993 when this came out, and sitting on a Kmart shelf.
Sure.
Maybe a Toys R Us shelf.
Yeah.
Maybe a Target shelf. I mean, this was at Sam's Club too.
Yeah.
But 20 comic books. I know that at least 4 of them don't have it because I have both sides. I can see that.
Yep.
But in here, what would have happened? I mean, first off, there was a lot of these. There could be a DCU variant in here. There could be a Batman Adventures 12 in here.
Sure.
I mean, that kind of stuff has happened. But what we do know is that they put these packs together by month. And they filled them with the overstock. And when they ran out of overstock, they hit the printing press again. Mm-hmm. And they put different logos, and they created some variants that are scarce that just now in 2018, we're seeing a new rebirth. People are after them. And we are going to crack this open with the comic fam.
Very, very cool.
Let's make it happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this down the middle very carefully.
Okay.
Because if I put a knife through a comic, it's going to be a Batman Adventures 12.
Oh, I'll put a knife through a comic, and I'll give you back a Batman Adventures 12 if you're okay with that.
All right. This is it. The moment of truth. We're going to split this half. Let's see here.
Well, and that, Adventures of Superman number 500, the one that we really care about?
I know. It doesn't really matter, right?
Yeah, that's one that doesn't matter.
Okay, so we have a poster.
Oh my God, it's got a poster too.
Okay, so we're done with that. This is what it says here on the purple slip here. 20 DC comics, collector's packs include. And then there's a list of comics here.
Batman, Superman, Showcase, Star Trek, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, Detective Comics, JLA, Adventures of Batman, Batman Adventures, Flash, Batman, Star Trek.
It's more of the same. And it says here, there's a little asterisk. It says these are 2 issues. There are 2 issues of this title this month. So every month they package these. Let's take a look at this poster here. What we have here. Boom.
Superman is back.
Oh, he is so back.
Is any of them the real Man of Steel? Reign of the Superman. Oh my God. Isn't that Action Comic 687 the die-cut green one that we happened to send out in the mystery mail call?
That's right.
As a matter of fact, it was.
It was. We sent out a bunch of those. It was partially because it was kind of fun because it's a very common book and we wanted to send out a comic. It's kind of like the Turok thing, but that was also comics from Xanadu.
This comic book history from a shop that was in the Seattle area for 42 years.
That book came from a shop that
the
helped
longest
pave
running
the way.
shop in Seattle, other than the one in the Pike Place Market.
Exactly.
Right.
All right. So we have a pack of 20. Let's see what we got.
Sure.
Let's go one by one. Star Trek Next Gen 47, no variant.
Okay, that is all right. Justice League of America with a JLI. No, there is not one.
Okay. Green Lantern 41, no variant.
That's a cool 90s cover, though.
It's cool, though.
Ryan may like that. Another Star Trek. Well, your dad'd like this.
That's right. Let's see here. Oh, a Flash 77, no variant.
Oh, that's cool, though. But
it's
that's
still
early
dope.
Mark Waid Flash, though.
It sure is. It got Golden Age Flash on the cover, too.
Oh, yeah. That's a good read. Green Lantern, Deathstroke the Terminator, and
Ooh.
MD Bright as the cover. No relation.
Ooh.
I wish there was.
Robin.
Showcase 93.
Close.
Good read.
Good read, but no variant.
Ooh, the George A. Romero, The Dark Half, Stephen King. Another Star Trek. My God.
This is heavy Star Trek.
There's a lot
in
of
here.
Star Treks in here. I hope you like Klingon.
Superman 78. Some of the Doomsday run.
Cool. So at least Superman 78. What is that? One of the ones that would have been a die cut one?
It could have been.
I think that
right?
might have been one of the
I think it
die-cut ones.
was.
Yeah.
Could have been. The funeral is over.
Okay.
The funeral is over.
Yeah. So Superman is back-ish. Another Reign of Superman, Adventures of Superman number 501. Another one of those that would have been
Sure.
a die cut if we had had Funeral is over as well.
Superman Action Comics 687.
Wow. So the good news is we're at least hitting all of those variants, but not of the variants we care about. And yeah,
That's right.
687, that's the one that would be the green die cut cover. That's what the Born Again cover looks like. Ooh, Batman Nightfall. And again, one of these classic Kelly Jones
Kelly
covers.
Jones.
Oh, yeah.
So good.
Just Batman with the 4-foot tall spikes.
That's what I like.
Love it. Big, horny
Oh,
Batman.
Speaking of horny Batman, we have Batman Nightfall 494.
Oh, look at those ears.
It's awesome.
Just amazing.
It's like 4 feet in the air.
Oh my God, it's just stunning. And you know what? The Batman Kings of Fear number 3, the new Kelly Jones Batman just came out.
There you go.
So, it's
Kelly
so
Jones
good.
is back on Batman. It's so
I'm
dope.
excited. He definitely did one of my favorite Batmans of all time. Oh, and another one of these. Look at that. What a good era of Batman. I mean, really, really just as tall as it gets. And this is a Sam Keith cover.
Heck yeah.
Right? That's good.
Wonder Woman 75.
Okay.
Yeah, this is kind of a...
Is that a Brian Boland cover?
I was going to say...
What cover's that?
I think it is. It's Bone. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, good call on that. Kind of reminds me of the Frazetta, the Golden Age Frazetta with the tentacles and all that.
And it's a bondage cover
Yes,
because she's being
technically it is a
wrapped
bondage
up
cover.
by an octopus. Bondage Wonder Woman cover.
Oh.
Legionnaires.
We're getting close.
I
Some
know.
of those
No Legionnaires
had-
0. you
Yeah,
know?
that would be so cool. That'd be so cool. Someone,
I saw that. Yeah,
someone got a Legionnaire 0.
someone
variant.
found it, and there was another one that was sold on eBay. So.
Batman Adventures 9.
Oh,
Oh, we were 3 away.
that is so close.
Dude, that's like really close.
I know.
man.
Find out what month this was, and then make sure you
Oh.
go back and buy another one. Batman Adventures 9. Wow.
So I'll spoil mine
'Cause you know what that
I know
one
that this
is.
one isn't it.
Well, and we know that this one isn't it because
That's
that was
right.
on the
The
outside.
funeral
This-
is over.
And it's nice that we had
And
all 4
Steel.
of the funeral is overs, and then this one,
Oh,
Batman Nightfall, another
know
one, Kelly
what?
Jones.
you know what? $70 for a bunch of books that aren't very expensive.
Was it 70? I thought you paid less than
It
that.
was like $70.
Well, the good news is every single one of these is going out in the mail call, and we will make sure that there is a little note on each of them so you know that these were featured on the show. You
That's
know
right.
that these were featured from the DC 20 mystery pack that Tom and I picked out. And you know what? Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for liking and subscribing. This is so much fun, and we're just glad that we're able to do this for you guys.
Yeah, we do appreciate you. Don't forget to hit up CBSIComicBookInvest.com. They're the ones who kind of started this whole, really bringing the information to the public, to us, so that we can share it and to just cause some excitement. I feel the excitement. I like it. And even if there's no variants here, I am so stoked to have the opportunity to be able to hunt for something and share this moment with the comic book fan.
Oh, definitely.
Thank you so much. And as always,
Geek responsibly.
enough
said. Thank you so much for watching the video. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have a live show at 5 p.m. just before Lords of the Long Box. We'd love to have you join. I'll be here with Fire Guy Ryan, and we're gonna be talking comics, doing some mystery mail call donation unboxings. Comics for you, the community. Come join. See you tomorrow.